How's it going, everybody? We are not in doing any of the sewing stuff today. We're actually working on drilling out some holes for this hand wheel. It's going to go on my PAC press inline bow press. We're going to replace the jack handle with this. It's an 8-inch. It's a Jergens 8-inch solid aluminum. I got it off of eBay for, I don't know, 30-some bucks. So we're going to drill some holes into this today. The first one we're going to drill in is the center hole, which is a 1/2 inch wide, and we're going to go inch and 1/8 deep on it, and then we're going to drill a hole in the side for the set screw or bolt to go through it, and then that way we can get it attached. I don't think you need to have a drill press for this, but I do have a drill press. I don't use it all that often, but I do have one. This is a four model, so it's not a bench press or bench top model, but you definitely can get a bench press or bench top model for, you know, less than 50 bucks. I'm sure Harbor Freight or somebody on Marketplace or Craigslist or something has it. So, and if not, I'm sure you could probably get away with just a regular hand drill. So I'm gonna try to center this up best I can. I'm not messing with the power settings or anything on this. And apparently I don't have this plugged in, so we're gonna get it plugged in real quick. All right, so we got that. I'll go get a towel. And we're going to double check our depth there, because that's, and we might have to drill another 1/8 inch just because that hole, well, the point of the bit. So, and I'm just using WD-40 for the lubricant, so get this set back down in there just like that. Perfect. So I'm not sure. I mean, I'm assuming that most of the PAC presses are built the same way, but you know, it's hard to say. And what I'm getting at is how much of that rod is sticking out, because what's on there right now is just that regular jack handle, and that's what you use to rotate the press around and everything. So, like I said, I don't know if they're all the same or not, or how much mine sticks out compared to somebody else's, but mine sticks out probably, I think if I remember right, it sticks out like 1.125 or something like that. And then where the bolt goes through, it sets back 1/8 of an inch. And then the bolt is 1/4 inch. So we'll have to get 1/4 inch, and then we'll measure back 1/8 of an inch, which easiest way to do that, and my 1/4 inch bit is gone. So all the drill bits I need, 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch, are gone. So we're going to use 17/64 to drill the hole, and then we're going to use a 9/64 to back set from here to where I need to drill the hole. So still doing all right on time. Not too bad. Always sucks when you don't have any stuff you need. So I'm going to take the solid end of the drill bit, the width, and I'm going to mark it right there. I'm going to take this one, do it right there, and then I'm going to tap it in there, put a witness mark on it so we can start our bit. So hopefully you can see that. I dimpled it right there. But this mark here is the depth I drilled to. This is like just over an 1/8 inch over. This is about a 1/4 inch over. So I just put it right in there. So hopefully that'll work out the way I want it to. Get this sucker chucked up. I'm just getting this set up. It's the last hole I gotta drill.
I got scared. Something happened to you in here.
Nothing happened.
Oh, okay. We'll try to hurry because I'm trying not to pee myself.
Yep, you're on camera.
Where? Oh. We'll just edit that part out, okay?
Okay.
Love you.
Love you too. All right, so that's all lined up. I'm gonna start cutting. All right. Made it all the way through. Had to do some finagling there with the bit and everything, but we got it. So, awesome. All right, the hand wheel is on the press. The bolt I got though is a little too thick for it. One tip though, to make sure you drill deep enough down in here. That way it sets on there all the way and you can get the bolt in there. Other than that, works pretty good. I also upgraded the PAC press with Archer Designs draw board. And the size I got for that would be for the Lancaster Archery or whatever LCA Ultimate Press, because it's got the smaller tubes. It's their 1.5-inch tubes in there. So that's what I got for this. But I still had to pack them out for them so they don't rock. I packed it out with felt that you would use for like your drop away rest. I just had a bunch of that laying around, so I packed it with several layers of that, so it's pretty snug fit in there. And this is I don't know if he still makes them or not, but it's definitely a good press. And these are the upgrades I've done to it so far. You got the hand wheel and everything, and the draw board.